What's that? What did you get, Catalina?
I get Lego!
Why did you get Lego?
Because we did that, I go to school!
And?
And I eat well!
At?
Eat in school.
You eat well at school. That's good. Okay, do you want to open it?
Yeah. Two bottles in the bottom?
Go ahead, open it.
In the bottom? I don't know how to open it.
Okay, let's open it.
And
That's
it's
the Duplo Lego Learn About Farm Life. So they do have two little people there, and a cow, milk. There's a sheep,
and there's a clock.
an egg nest, some chicken hen, and it's from 1.5 to 5 years old. And Catalina has just turned 3 years old. This is 26 packs. Let's open it, Cat.
I don't know how to open it.
I'll help you open it.
I don't know what this is name.
Okay.
It's a cock-a-doodle-doo. This is good. I don't know what this is.
Okay. What else there?
A cat. I don't know this boy.
All right. Take the other one.
Some pieces. Some pieces.
Some pieces.
Again.
All right. So there's some instruction there.
Girls and the boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, girls and boys.
Okay. So you see the picture. You're gonna make it exactly like that.
Boys and girls. Yeah, let's open it! That's a girl, that's a fish, that's a boy, that's a cow, that's a woman, a first yellow one, and that's a brown one, that's a white, and there's a blue.
Oh, there's somebody hiding here. Did you see?
Ah!
Yeah, a sheep.
Where do they live? Where do they live? In the tree. Here, no. Here, mommy. Where is sheep living here? And what's this? And there's a bar. The baba. Move on. Look at this. What's he doing there? I am. Oh boy, I want to sit. And then
What is this, Catalina? That's
It's a cock-a-doodle-doo.